Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on booking.com. This is going to be a super easy tutorial. You'll just need to follow the steps. So to be able to use Klarna, you can basically choose to use a booking app, or you can also choose to use booking website, the official website, which is booking.com. So you can use both of them. So use the preferred one, and once you choose the property that you want to rent, and basically you set up the dates and you're happy with the price, you can complete the steps. So basically the steps are going to be on the screen, so you'll just need to follow the steps shown on the screen to continue with your reservation. So once you choose the property and confirm that you are happy with the price and to continue, it's going to take you to a page where you can make the payment. And as you can see, it's going to ask you how would you like to pay, and if Klarna is available for you, if the property owner allowed Klarna as a payment method, that's going to be there for you. So you can basically click on it and you can pay with the Klarna. Super easy and simple.